The ABB Ability Energy Manager has a series of pre-configured widgets that allow you to monitor your main consumption or generation unit's electrical parameters in a certain period. The first two are the Asset Current Trend and the Asset Voltage Trend widgets. These provide the average current and voltage values of an asset over a selected period. They enable users to compare the phases. Here you can display frequency trend or power factor trend for selected connected assets. If you want to visualize the power and energy data of a site's main consumption or generation points, then this is how. The Asset Power Trend widget enables users to display the active, reactive, and apparent power for a specific connected asset. To monitor the active, reactive, and apparent energy for a specific connected asset, then this is the widget. This is the Asset Energy Trend widget. To see peak power data, here the Peak Monitoring widget enables you to monitor the peaks for specific assets on the mains feed-in lines. And it is also possible to compare the peak power demands of assets. With the Multi-Asset Peak Power Monitoring widget, users can select up to 5 assets. And you can also compare these with the contractual power limits as well.